Welcome to Inception. Let's check your general knowledge. Reserve Bank of India. (1935). Niti Aayog. (2015). Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. (1956). Indian Oil Corporation Limited. (1959). State Bank of India. (1955). Central Board of Direct Tax. (1944). National Safety Council. (1966). National Medical Commission. 2020. Central Board of Film Certification. 1952. Defense Research and Development Organization. 1958. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.